ever considered getting a pet but are not sure what to choose? In this video, we'll be showing you 14 reasons why parrots are the perfect pet for you. Parrots are so much more than just annoying household pests because they can teach us how to communicate with other animals like them in nature. They are also great at giving moral support when things get tough and will always keep you entertained by playing games or performing tricks that will make your day better. So, if you're looking for an animal who's there for all of life's ups and downs, get you a parrot. Number 1. Parrots live for up to 60 years. This means they will be around to keep you company for the rest of your life. 2. Parrots are highly intelligent. The parrot's brain is very similar to that of a human because it also has an area responsible for communication and thinking called the wast, which humans only develop when they are about 4 years old. 3. Parrots have a great sense of humor. They love to play games and make funny noises which will always make you laugh. 4. Parrots are affectionate. They love to cuddle and preen, which makes them great pets for people who suffer from mental health problems because research has shown that it takes the same amount of time as hugging a human being to reduce stress hormones in your body. 5. They require little maintenance, making them low-maintenance pets. They clean themselves, don't need to be walked outside, and only require the occasional nail trimming. 6. They are colorful and come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. This makes them some of the most interesting pets to look at. Do well to click on the button bell below now. Also, don't forget to click on the like button. 7. Parrots don't shed fur or dander as other animals do, so they won't make your allergies worse. This is great news for people who suffer from asthma or other respiratory problems. 8. They are very social animals and love to interact with humans and other parrots. They can learn to talk and imitate your words, which will make them an interesting animal to have around. 9. Parrots are great company because they can be very interactive with their human companions. They can learn to mimic voices, start conversations, and even understand what you are saying. Number 10. They are very playful and curious creatures. They are up for any new games you want to come up with and always keep you entertained. 11. They are great at mimicking sounds. You'll never get bored with their company. This is because parrots have a great memory and can understand the sounds of over 100 different words and phrases. 12. You don't need to take care of them as much as other pets. They are self-sufficient most of the time. All you need to do is give them some food and water every day, a clean cage to sleep in at night, plenty of toys to play with during the day, and lots of love. 13. Parrots are easy to train if you work on it every day for about 15 minutes or more. With patience and time, you can teach them to do all sorts of tricks like say their name, count, or even play dead. 14. They make great companions because they love being around people and they will be loyal to you no matter what happens in life. Parrots are one of the few animals that will never leave you, even if they are mistreated. Parrots come in a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes, which makes them some of the most interesting animals to look at. Living with a parrot will never be boring because they are so intelligent and resourceful. You'll enjoy your time spent bonding with them for the rest of your life. So, these are just some of the reasons why parrots make great pets. They are intelligent, social, playful, and loving animals who will be by your side through thick and thin. If you're looking for a new companion to add to your family, consider getting a parrot. Is there any reason why you wouldn't like to get a parrot? Let us know now by leaving a comment down below.